Before solving a rational equation and a rational inequality, we need to know how to distinguish each one. So I put two given here. On the left is x over 3 is equals to 2 over 3. And in the right is x plus 2 over 3 is less than or equal to 2. So now, look careful to the sign. In the left, we had this equal sign, and in the right, we have this less than or equal sign. In the left, this equal sign is also equal for rational equation, while on the right, this less than or equal sign is equivalent for rational inequality. These easy steps help you to distinguish if the given is a rational equation or a rational inequality.
In rational equation example number 1, we have x over 4 is equals to 3 over 4. Since we have the same denominator, let's now proceed to the numerator. Put it down. X is equals to 3, and this is the final answer. In rational equation example number 2, we have x over x minus 4 is equals to 6 over x minus 4. Again, we have the same denominator here. Let's now proceed to the numerator. Put it down like that. X is equals to 6, and this is the final answer.
Here the equation example number 3. We are the given of x plus 2 over 8 equals 3 over 4. So now we don't have the same denominator. We need this 4 to make into 8. So multiply it in 2 over 2. Now x plus 2 over 8 equals 3 times 2 equals to 6 over 4 times 2 equals to 8. Now we had the same denominator. So let's take the numerator, put it down as x plus 2 equals 6. We need to transpose the positive 2 from the right, that will change the sign. Now we had the x equals 6 minus 2, then x equals to 4. This is the final answer.
This is a rational equation example number 4. We have the given of 4 over m equals 3 over m minus 2. All we need to do is first get its LCD, which is m times m minus 2. Next, since we have the terms similar to its LCD, we need to do cancellation and bring down all the remaining terms, which is 4 times m minus 2 equals 3m. Next, multiply 4 to m minus 2, so we need to do distributive property of multiplication. 4 times m equals 4m, 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8, and then bring down 3m. Since we have the similar terms, which is 4m and 3m, we need to do transposing, enable for us to combine them and compute them. So 4m minus 3m equals 8. Next, subtract it. 4m minus 3m is m, and it is equal to 8.
Example number 1, solving rational inequality. Here is the first example. X minus 4 over x squared minus 36 less than or equal to 0. First, we need to transpose 0 to the left. So, since it is 0, it has no value. We can cancel it. Second, we need to solve the numerator. X minus 4. So, x minus 4 equals 0. We need to transpose negative 4 to the right, so x will become positive 4. The next, the denominator, x squared minus 36. First, we need to find the factors of x squared minus 36. So, x plus 6 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. X plus 6 equals 0. Positive 6, we need to transpose it to the right. So, it will become x equals negative 6. X minus 6 equals 0. So, negative 6 transposed to the right. So, the x will become x equals positive 6.
Here is rational inequality example number 2. And the given is x squared minus 8x plus 12 over x squared minus 25 less than or equals to 0. First, we need to transpose the 0 to the other side. It's both 0, so cancel it because it has no value. And then we need to find the factor of our numerator, x squared minus 8x plus 12. Its two factor will be x minus 6 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. Transpose the negative 6 to the other side, so our x will be positive 6. Transpose also the negative 2. X will be positive 2. After finding the factor of the numerator, we also need to find the factor of our denominator, x squared minus 25. Our factor will be x plus 5 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. Transpose the positive 5. So x will be negative 5. Transpose also the negative 5, so x will be positive 5. Here is all the answers in rational inequality example number 2.
Rational inequality example number 3. We had a given of x minus 3 over x squared minus 16 is less than or equals to 2. We need to transpose this 2 to the left, then it became negative 2. Let's bring down the numerator in this negative 2. So now we had x minus 3, close and open parenthesis, and negative 2. We need to distribute this negative 2 to x minus 3. So we had negative 2x plus 6. So let's bring down the denominator. We had x squared minus 16. We need to factor this one. So we had x plus 4 and x minus 4. So we need to take it equal to 0 and transpose this both 4. So we had x is equals to negative 4 and x is equals to positive 4. Let's go back to our numerator. We need to equals it to 0. So we need to transpose this 6 to the right and become negative 6. So we had negative 2x and is equals to negative 6 over negative 2 both sides to eliminate negative 2 from the x. So we had x is equals to 3, and this is the final answer.